Applications of Venn diagram. Given in a survey among 60 grade 7 students' mode of classes, the informations were gathered. 46 students preferred face-to-face, then 42 of the students preferred online, and 32 students, they preferred both face-to-face and online. To answer the following questions, it is easier if we're going to organize our data using the Venn diagram. So we will start by drawing a rectangle to represent our universal set. Then these two circles here represents the set for face-to-face and another set for online. They were overlapping because it is in our given. This word "and" here, this usually means intersecting. So our two sets are overlapping. So we will start by writing the intersecting data, and that is 30. Okay, then we will write this 42 here, and these are the students who preferred online. So this is our set that represents online. Since we already have 30 here, so we'll just subtract this 30 to 42. So 42 minus 30, that is 12. Notice that if we're going to add 30 plus 12, that is 42, and these are the students who preferred online. Then these 46 students here will be written here, but since we already have 30, we will just subtract 30 to 46, and we got 16. And this will be our Venn diagram. We are now ready to answer the following questions. In question number 1, how many students preferred face-to-face only? So in this case, our answer is 16. Number 2, how many students preferred online only? So our answer here is 12. Now for question number 3, how many students were not able to submit the survey form? So since we have 60 students, let us try to add this number, these students who were able to submit their survey form. So 16 plus 30 plus 12, it's 58. So in 60 students, only 58 were able to submit. So 60 minus 58, we still have 2 who did not submit their survey form. So since we do not know their preferences, if it is face-to-face or online, so they will not be written here inside, but outside these two sets, but within the universal set. And this answers our question number 3, how many students were not able to submit the survey form? So our answer here is 2. In our given number 2, the following information were the result from the survey on students' favorite subjects. So we have here 50 students liked math, 45 students like science, then 40 students like English, and 25 students like English and math, 21 students like English and science, 22 students like science and math, then 10 students like science, English, and math. But there were students here wherein they do not like these 3 subjects. So to answer the following questions, we will organize the following data using Venn diagram. So we have 3 overlapping circles here that represents the set for math, set for science, and set for English. Since we have 3 options here, math, science, and English. So we can start writing from this one. 3 students did not like science, English, and math. So definitely, we cannot write this number within these 3 sets. It should be written outside. Okay, so these 10 students here, they like science, English, and math. So we will write this here in the center. Now, for these 22 students who like science and math, so the set for science and math are these 2 sets, 1 and 2. So this is the overlapping section. Since there were 22 students and we already have 10 here, we will just subtract 10 to 22, and that is 12. 12 and 10, it makes 22. And these are the students who like science and math. And that is similar to English and science, this one. So this section here, since we have 21, so this 21 will be subtracted by 10, and the answer is 11. And that is similar to math and English. So same process. So we have here 25. So 25 minus 10, our answer here is 15. Then for these 40 students who like English, so this will be the section. Since we already have 11, 10, and 15, so we will just subtract this to 40, and our answer here is 4. Then for 45 students who like science, so we are referring to this section here. So this 45 will be subtracted by 12, by 10, and by 11, and we are left with 12. Then finally, these 50 students who like math, this will be subtracted by 12, by 10, and by 15, and we got here 13. So after writing our data in our Venn diagram, we are now ready to answer these 4 questions. So how many students were surveyed? So we will just simply count them all. So 3 plus 12 plus 11 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 13, and that is 80. And these are the students who were surveyed. Then how many students like math only? So our answer here is 13. In number 3, how many students like science only? So our answer here is 12. How many students like English only? And our answer here is 4.